All right, so let me walk you through the steps that you have to take for you to be able to buy some dollars, US dollars on yellow card. So here we go. I tap on yellow card and it's loading. Hoping that you'd at some point typed in your login details, your PIN code, your passcode. So it's just a matter of you getting back here. So I want to show you where you have to punch for you to buy US dollars. Network seems to be okay, very good. So in your currency, you will see the money that you have. So you click on this tab which says buy, the one which is in the top left corner, buy. And then you check what is it that you want to buy, Bitcoins or USD. So you choose USD. You can actually type in the amount or the number of US dollars that you'd love to buy. Oh, that is okay. So let's do this. So that is let's say I need 23 US dollars. Can I really? So 20 kwacha is equal to $1. So if let's say we have 500, how many dollars can we actually buy? Okay, so let's do this. We say we are buying $25. You're buying $25. So we now click next, and they're saying you're buying 25 US dollars for 500.75. Okay, so we are confirming that, and then they want us to enter the PIN code. We can confirm that. Okay, so that has been confirmed, and they're saying your 25 US dollars is in your wallet. You can click done. Come on. Okay, so beautiful. It has loaded in, and we can now check at the bottom here where it says USDT. What is it that we have? Initially we had 0000, so we have 25 US dollars reflecting. In the next video, I will show you how you can deposit money in your Space football platform.